Hi Leo, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love check-in for you, mid-month love check-in. So Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. So let's begin here, Leo. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. And also thank you all my subscribers. We've reached 1,000 subs on this channel. It's barely 3 months old and I'm so happy that you all are enjoying this. And a big thank you to all of you. And if you're new here, oh, I got the Justice card slip out. Leo, what's this? Let's keep it here. So if you're new here, do join our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for love readings, monthlies, bi-monthlies, and we even did a money and work reading this month on the suggestion of one of my subscribers. So I hope you all like it, and if you do subscribe and join our channel. We welcome you here. So if you're new here, Leo, 2 sets of cards, one for you, one for your person. And in the center, I have your mutual energies. Let's see what the trend is for the Leos for love. Somebody is walking away, okay? Leo, let's see who this is and why is justice here. Are you in some legal case with someone by any chance? Let's see. Let's see person A. Person A has the Queen of Swords, Hierophant, 9 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles, Hanged Man, and the Ace of Wands. So Leo, something to do with the commitment here. Are you involved in a separation or something? Let's see the other person. The Fool, Knight of Wands, Temperance, Ace of Cups, Hermit, and the 4 of Wands. Wow! So there is something major going on with 2 people. They are on 2 different pages it seems. One is going in for a new beginning, looking for love, and the other person is also, yes, moving ahead after being left out in the cold. So let's see person A, spirit-wise, the person A in the Queen of Swords energy. This Queen of Swords, whoever this is for you, Leo, is now not offering any love, not accepting any love, not accepting any apologies. She has got her sword up and she says, I am over and done. One more card, Spirit, for the Page of Cups in reverse. Yeah, she's letting down this relationship, it seems. This burden that has been between the 2 of you, maybe. Now this Queen is now saying, enough is enough. I'm not dealing with you anymore. Leo, this could be you or this could be your significant other, whoever you were dealing with till now. I think there is some separation coming here, which is actually making the both of you pretty happy. Because this person is, yeah, there's something to do with a commitment. There was a fight here. There's a fight or some conflict in this commitment, right? Somebody is being very guarded and saying, no more, I'm not dealing with this anymore. I'm not accepting any sweet offers from you. I don't want any apologies from you. I want to move on ahead in my own life now, passionately. This commitment has too much trouble, too much conflict, and I'm now going to be guarding myself against you, and because I want to have a fresh new beginning for myself. So why is there a 5 of Pentacles, Spirit? This person is keeping a lot of things hidden. They are going through a lot of emotional times where they're maybe heart of hearts feeling quite abandoned and feeling, okay, this is over, and be feeling left out in the cold maybe after this conflict of this commitment has come about. And it's an emotional time for this person A. They are, as much as they are looking to have a fresh beginning, they are still in their fields right now. They are trying to concentrate now on their own work, money, They are still in hanged man's position where they are trying to wonder now, or just taking some time out. Taking some time out of this. Yeah, even though they're keeping a watch on you, or the person A is keeping a watch on the person B, yet because there are some emotions involved here that they don't want to work with person B anymore. Yeah, this is the person that's walking away, Leo. Person A. Whether Leo, this is you or your person, this person is now walking away from you and they're no longer interested in putting in any more work, right? This is the same card which is bottom of our deck as well when I said, who's walking away, Leo? So this person is walking away from a commitment. And maybe this could be a legal separation as well for some of you, because the Justice card is here. This person is now moving ahead in their own life and they have the Ace of Wands in their favor. So what is this Ace of Wands, Spirit, for person A? Why is person A moving ahead with the Ace of Wands? They are looking for other options now, Leo. Person A is now getting over this commitment because there was too much conflict here and they are moving ahead to find other options which could be available for them, because they've been feeling very abandoned and they're feeling very left out in this relationship. Now they have picked up their wand and they want to move ahead in their own life. They are trying to find their own enlightenment and their own path ahead. Let's see person B. Now person B, Leo, could be you or could be your person, right? Flip the energy the way you feel your story is. Person B has the Fool, which is again new beginnings, taking a leap of faith, and they also have the Knight of Wands in their favor here, which means taking a leap of faith into new beginnings, passionate new beginnings. So can we have a clarifier, Spirit? Yeah, person B is saying, okay, whatever happened, I'm going to now have a fresh new beginning. I'm going to go chase after my passions and I'm going to go out there and maybe have a good time after things have come to a close with this person. They have been healing, yes, they have been healing from this fight or whatever has, separation. They have done a lot of inner healing and now they're wanting to bring back some kind of balance back to their life. They have been, person B has also been very stressed out. Any kind of separation, good or bad or ugly, does play havoc, right, with both parties. So person B has also been, been pretty stressed out for a long time and been worrying and stressed out. But they're desperately wanting to bring back some kind of balance in their life, and they want to be, they want to be in control now. They want to be stable. They are actually even wanting a lot of love in their life now. But they want to take it really slow and steady this time. They want love, yes, with this big cup of love that they have on their side, but they are not going to rush towards it anymore. They are wanting, even though heart of hearts, they want that passion. They want their dream of being in this King of Wands energy. They are wanting now to bring balance and go very, very slow and steady and keep their strength about any new beginning that they want to make. Leo, this is your card, right? So you could be a person B here. So you're wanting to be very strong and keep a balance, and right now you may just be in hermit mode as well, trying to figure out how is it now that I can have stability back in my life, right? So you are thinking, you're in thinking mode after this person A has walked away from your life. You're not very sure, you want to get into another commitment right now again, person B. You're not sure, you're thinking about it. How can I have commitment and stability in my life without maybe getting into like a legal commitment with a new person? I don't want to do the marriage thing anymore. If push comes to shove, I'd rather be alone and in this hangman's place. But I definitely don't want, this headache of a commitment anymore. Yet, yeah, because that breaks your heart. Each time maybe you've tried this commitment thing, it's just broken your heart each time. But heart of hearts, you still want this. Now, that's a little confusing energy, right? You want commitment, but it breaks your heart. You have love and you want this commitment, but you don't want the risk of having a commitment. So what you're going to do, you're going to just wait and watch for a little while. Person B is just going to be in the planning mode to see, okay, now I have the world in my hands. Person A and me didn't work out, and now I really do want love and stability in my life. What should I do? I have the world in my hands. Let me just think about it. Take a little time out and think about it for a little while. So let's see if there is anything happening in your mutual energies here, Leo, you and this person A. Tower, see? Something is breaking down. Anything which is not built on stable ground falls apart, and that is how both of you are feeling. Six of Cups and the Empress. So let's see what this Tower moment is, Spirit, first. What is this Tower moment? This Tower moment is one more, Spirit. Knight of Swords and the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, so both of you, I think, have thought about this, Leo, for a long time. This is in your mutual energy, and whatever decision that has been made or is getting made is going to be ruthless, right? It's going to be ruthless, which is going to lead to a Tower moment, and it just may lead to both of you being single again. Okay? I do have the Six of Pentacles here, which is a card of equal give and take. So, Spirit, what is this? Yeah, Six of Pentacles here in their mutual energy. Maybe this is alimony or something. Spirit, what is the Six of... Yes, a little evaluation is going on here about equal give and take of this maybe family wealth or the whatever money that you had together. There is some, people are looking at it from a higher ground to see what can be given, what could be taken. This really looks like a court case to me, Leo. It may just resonate with a very few of you, but there are talks about money and equal give and take in a family dynamic, right? So the last card I have for you is the Empress. What is this Empress, Spirit, in both the energies? I don't see any animosity happening here, Leo, thankfully. And as I said that, I have the Queen of Swords, which is not so bad because she's in the upright. Yes, there will be growth, Leo. There will be growth for both of you. But only after some decisions are going to be made, clear-cut decisions about putting an end to this relationship now. Death with the Ten of Pentacles, Swords, tells me that all that, all this backstabbing and all this hurt and whatever pain that is caused to both of you will soon come to an end after, this is put back into order. Whatever has to be given, taken, stability for both of you is done. After this clear communication, things are going to once again be okay, and there will be growth in your individual lives now. Okay? Things are going to get better once this is put to bed. This is put to rest. Once a death comes to this. And I have another Tower moment under my deck, which really shows me two Tower moments in your mutual energy, which shows something is coming to an end, right? I have the Death card here, I have the two Towers, and I have the Ten of Swords. So make sure this is amicable, Leo, whatever side you're in. And I have the Justice card again here, which flew out earlier, right? So this could be a legal case, and people are going to now move ahead in their lives to calmer waters after all this is over and out. Communication is going to come your way. It may not be the best kind, Leo. So just be a little aware and try and do your best to handle this Tower moment as amicably as possible, so that both of you can be, move on in your individual lives. This person wants a fresh start, and so do you. So let's have an angel blessing card for you, Leo. I know these are very tough times for you. May all the blessings be with you and your person. It's not easy for either of you. One blessing card for Leo, please, Spirit. Okay. One more, Spirit. Yes, Leo, whatever you've been, yes, be a bit generous, right? If you have to give the money or whatever, be a bit generous. Don't be too stingy. And if you're taking it, make sure you don't fleece the other person out. Be generous to this person. They were, you guys were once in love. So remember that. And yes, very soon healing will come to your individual lives, okay? And yes, you found your path forward, it seems now. You know exactly where you're going. And once all this is done, this chapter of your lives is closed, you will have victory once again. Don't worry about it, Leo. Don't worry about it at all. Justice will prevail and you will be happy once again. So till then, take care, love and light. And I'll see you next week. Namaste to all of you.